To connect Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the Crypto.com app and Phantom Wallet extension installed on your device. Start by opening the Crypto.com app and navigating to the Accounts section, where you will find the option to connect to other wallets. Select the option to connect to a new wallet and choose the Phantom Wallet from the list of available options. Next, you will be prompted to enter the Phantom Wallet address. To get this address, open the Phantom Wallet extension. Click on the wallet icon and select the option to receive. The address will be displayed on the screen. Copy this address. Go back to the Crypto.com app and paste the Phantom Wallet address into the required field. You will then be asked to confirm the connection. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Once the connection is confirmed, the Crypto.com app will send a small test transaction to the Phantom Wallet to verify the connection. This may take a few minutes to complete, so be patient. After the test transaction has been confirmed, the connection between Crypto.com and Phantom Wallet will be established. You can now transfer cryptocurrency between the two wallets. It is essential to note that when transferring cryptocurrency, you should always double-check the recipient address to ensure it is correct. Also, be aware of the transaction fees and the minimum transfer amounts. In conclusion, connecting Crypto.com to Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following these steps, you can easily link your Crypto.com account to your Phantom Wallet and start transferring cryptocurrency between the two wallets.